tell us the Picona story too. There's absolutely nothing worth telling. It was so awkward and it was unexpected, you know, it came out of nowhere. I want to redo that whole thing. It was terrible. I think probably Picona Senpai's impression of me is now a million times worse because I was awkward. I was so awkward. Basically, I was greeting Marin Senpai. And I'm like, Marin Senpai! I was like super excited, right? I was super like, wow, let's go. And like jumping around. And then she was also jumping around and like happy and excited, right? And then she points to the person next to her and says, Picona. And I'm like, I freeze. In that moment, I freeze. And I'm like, what the fuck? I did not know that she was gonna be there. I'm like, so immediately I stutter and I turn silent and I'm like, and so she asks me what I'm doing here and I said, I'm just like here to record some vocals for something over there. And she's like, naruhodo, Peko. And I realize that this is incredibly awkward for me. So I said, shitsureshimasu, and I left the room immediately. Basically, there was no conversation. Can you believe it? I meet her and I absolutely ruined everything. I didn't want to like be there and give her a bad impression, so I thought maybe the best choice is to leave, but I feel like that might have been bad too. I thought better than to embarrass myself, I just leave. But in hindsight, after leaving, you know, I went back to my room and I sat down and I was like face palming and I'm like, what the fuck just happened? Yeah, I wish I could have mentally prepared, man. I don't know if I can ever face her ever again.